I'm so grateful to be invited to such a big event with amazing brands like Cheese Whiz. They prepared delicious food and one of the highlight was the Cheese Whiz fountain. Kuya Abel and I had so much fun during the event. At ang dami ko rin talagang na-meet na mommy influencers. I enjoyed the food. At nagsisimula na nga rin mag-warm up yung mga kids dito dahil mag-i-start na yung mga obstacles na gagawin nila. Kuya Abel really enjoyed the obstacles challenges. I'm so proud of my son because I know I'm raising him well, smart, strong, and full of confidence. As a proud mom, it brings me so much joy to see my 7-year-old growing up to be brave, skilled, and always ready for a fun challenge. As you can see, na hindi talaga tinigilan ni Kuya Abel hanggat hindi niya natatapos lahat ng obstacles dito. Actually, sobrang excited pa nga siya na matapos yung obstacles na ito. Lahat talaga gusto niyang subukan. Kaya naman sobrang proud talaga ako sa anak ko na makita siya kung gaano siya gumalaw at kung paano niya gamitin yung kanyang isip sa mga techniques dito sa mga obstacles. Excited na kasi siya na makumpleto yung badge na nilalagay sa hands niya. Kaya naman talagang nakakatuwa talaga si Kuya Abel. And sobrang game na game sa lahat ng games dito. Ang dami rin talagang mga kids and na-meet ng anak ko dito. And they gave us a certificate and a medal. No wonder my son was so happy and really helped boost his confidence. Another core memory unlocked. Something he'll never forget. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.